What made me want to take the class is I already do brow tinting. Joanna inspired me to move on to powder brows, which was great. The tattooing part got me a little nervous, just like having a needle going into someone's skin, because I've never done it before. The class was great, a lot of information, and a great teacher. My favorite part of class was actually doing the client. Yeah, I was nervous, but just to see the results was amazing. You definitely made me more confident, and I just need to believe in myself more.
Would you refer a friend to this class?
Oh yeah, of course.
So if someone was hesitant or on the fence about taking this class, what would you say to them?
I would tell them, don't even think about it. Push yourself always to do better and to learn more. Never stop learning.
One word you would describe your experience in the class.
Like I said, amazing. I loved learning all the new things, and especially with Joanna, she's a great teacher.